there is a Yiddish revival. There are young people who learned Yiddish. Clearly, you don't have to come from a Yiddish-speaking household in order to speak Yiddish. And it's a significant group of people, you know, and they produce things, they do things. And so from that standpoint, there is a Yiddish revival. It's quite striking. It's very obvious in terms of music and the American musical culture now, which is being somewhat inflected by, you know, the revival of klezmer. It's interesting to see in the Coen Brothers film, you know, The Serious Man, the opening sequence in it was very striking. And it was spoken by, as far as I know, non-native Yiddish speakers who can speak as if they were native Yiddish speakers. The Yiddish was very good within the film. So it's very funny, but my friend Zachary Baker showed me a Yiddish dictionary that just recently came out, that for the Haredi community. And I leafed through it, and what struck me about it was how good the Yiddish was. And even they were giving alternative uses of words, you know, alternative words. And, you know, you would assume there would be a tremendous amount of anglicisms within it, you know, and there were none. It was pure Yiddish. And to me, what it suggests is that it shows that the revival of Yiddish even is having an impact on the community that still uses Yiddish on a daily basis, but in their own peculiar dialect of Yiddish. But there's an attempt here, obviously, to purify the language, to make it, to give people the vocabulary that they don't have. So you know, what that means in terms of, you know, survival of the language, etc., I have no idea, but still, it's interesting.